Hi, my name is Doug Goldstein. Today I want to tell you what you should know about low-risk investments. In my day job as a financial advisor at Profile Investments here in Jerusalem, I work with people who live outside the United States who want to have U.S. investment portfolios. Recently, a new client told me that his portfolio mostly contained low-risk investments. When I saw that the majority of his investments were mutual funds, I asked him why he believed mutual funds were low risk, as his funds contained stocks. What he was missing was the mutual funds contain stocks which are risky. So even though the funds were diversified, he was exposed to a lot of risk. So what's a low-risk investment? An example of a low-risk investment is a bank deposit, or a CD, it's sometimes called, a certificate of deposit. A CD pays a fixed interest rate and matures on a specific date. It's safer than a stock, the value of which can fluctuate dramatically, since if the CD investor holds the CD until maturity, he knows he'll get his principal and interest paid in full. Investors looking for a low-risk investment that produces income choose CDs because they pay interest on the original deposit. Furthermore, CDs are normally insured by the FDIC for up to $250,000 if the bank fails and doesn't pay back the initial deposit on maturity. However, though a CD carries a low level of risk, you can still lose money if you sell it before its maturity date. Moreover, if rates of inflation are higher than interest rates, the real value of your money diminishes compared to the original purchase. Additionally, CDs also include an element of liquidity risk, especially if you invest in a long-term CD. There are many reasons to invest in a CD. It may be worth forfeiting the possibility of higher returns in the stock market for relative peace of mind in preserving your principal. If so, consider buying CDs through your broker, as CDs purchased through a brokerage account can offer higher returns than if you buy them as an individual through a retail bank. To learn more about CDs and other low-risk investments, listen to my podcast at goldsteinongelt.com/low-risk. Again, that's www.goldsteinongelt.com/low-risk. If you have any questions or comments about what you heard today, please feel free to send me an email. My email address is doug@profile-financial.com. Don't forget, before you do any investing, make sure you read our complete disclaimer at www.profile-financial.com/disclaimer.